In honor of my 3-year anniversary here on YouTube, and after much requests, here is my Draw My Life video. So I hope you guys enjoy. I was born in Trinidad and Tobago, the beautiful Twin Island Republic. Trinidad and Tobago is a melting pot of cultures. We are a nation of multicultural people and multicultural cuisine. If you've never been to Trinidad and Tobago, you must visit, especially for Carnival. Growing up as a little girl, I always had an interest for cooking. I would always want to help my mom, and she would allow me to. And I really appreciate her allowing me to help spoil some of her dishes. After when I started high school, I fell madly in love with cooking. I had a great teacher and my love for cooking really bloomed. After a few years, I met my husband. We fell in love, we got married, and I moved to the US to live with him. After moving to the US, my friends would call me and ask me, "Natasha, how do you make this?" And after explaining to them and they still wouldn't understand, I decided, you know what? When I'm cooking for my family, why don't I just record it? In that way, I can upload it to YouTube and my friends can see, and everyone else who doesn't know how to make these dishes can know how to make them. And I fell in love with YouTube. YouTube was really a saving grace in my life because I got pregnant not too long after I started YouTube. Pregnancy was very hard because when my son was born, I was not able to bring him home right away. After he was allowed to come home, you guys would hear him in the background. He is such a sweet child. He always wants to help when I'm recording. At night, I would sit at my desk and I would edit all of the videos on my computer so that I can have them ready for you guys. Editing does take quite some time, but because I love what I do, it's never a chore. I believe once you have the passion for something, it does not ever feel like work. Later on, I started to work on my book. I really enjoyed putting my cookbook together, and I know all of you all are very excited for it. I'm turning 3 years. Yay! I'm so happy, and I couldn't be here without each and every one of you. And I want to say a big thank you. I appreciate all of the love, all of the support. I hope you guys continue on this journey with me, as all I want to do is grow and achieve more things. Thank you guys so much again, and I love you.